In the sun-drenched living room, Mirha kneels beside a small charity box, her eyes shining with purpose. A single coin slips from her fingers, disappearing into the box with a soft clink. Hussein sits on the floor, his innocent gaze fixed on his sister's charitable act. Sunlight streams through the window, illuminating the dust motes dancing in the air. The soft hum fills the room, a gentle melody accompanying the quiet act of giving. In the cozy living room, Mirha's affectionate smile shines as she looks at Hussein. With gentle care, Mirha takes Hussein's small hand, ready to show him the importance of giving. Together, they drop a coin into the charity box, a small act of kindness that fills the room with joy. Hussein's happy giggles echo as the coin clinks, and Mirha's heart swells with pride and love for her little brother. In the heart of the family living room, a charity box glows softly, radiating warmth and the gentle nur of faith. The mother smiles, her eyes brimming with pride as she looks at Mirha and Hussein. The father lifts Hussein into his arms, his touch gentle as he pats Mirha on the head. Contentment fills the air, enveloping the family in a sense of unity and the blessings of charity.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.